Welcome everyone to another edition of the Trevino Way, where we do things our way. Today we're hitting the road for an overnight trip to Houston to watch the Astros take on the Tampa Bay Rays. We'll show you where we stayed, take you inside the game, and stick around for the post-game fireworks. So come along and let's hit the road. If you're planning to stay downtown for an Astros game, we definitely recommend it. We stayed at the Staybridge Suites, and the room was exactly what we were looking for. Just a quick tip, be prepared to pay for parking. It's about $50 a day for the parking garage, or around $58 a day if you choose valet. If the Staybridge Suites is booked, try the Holiday Inn Express in the same building or the Cambria Hotel across the street for about the same price. If you want to be even closer and don't mind paying a little more, the Westin is a great choice. Get to the stadium early. The gates open 3 hours before first pitch, giving you plenty of time to explore. Create your own custom jersey, stop by the team store for Astros gear, and grab a drink before the crowds. Trust us, you don't want to spend most of your time standing in lines. Getting to the stadium early also gives you plenty of time to capture those memorable photos before the crowds arrive. Alright, it's time to grab a drink and check out our seats. We were in section 125, row 10, right above the Astros dugout. The view couldn't have been much better. The national anthem was performed by a local violinist, and it was absolutely beautiful. Now it's time for the lineup introductions and first pitch. All right, Astro fans, on your feet, it's game time.
I've got that lightning inside me, son of a god. I'm like a titan that's rising, oh, just you watch. I'm stepping into fate, there is no time to waste. I've got that lightning inside me, this is how legends are made. 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 This is how legends are
Wow,
made.
Yordan Alvarez with the walk-off home run. Astros come from behind to win 10-8. And guess who bet them to win when they were down 7-2?
This is
This
how
guy.
legends
Call it
are
luck or
made.
fate. Follow us for daily bets and parlays. Now sit back and enjoy one of the best fireworks shows in baseball.
Celebrate America, standing side by side, filled with a million dreams, running with a holy pride. One nation full of hope for the world to see. Together we are strong, yeah, we're living is America. A million stories underneath these stars, a million people carrying different scars. From the small town squares to the city lights, trying to make it through another night. It ain't perfect, never claimed to be, but it's still the place where hope runs free. Yeah, this is America, and it still belongs to you and me. Maybe that's the beauty of this old place. Different voices sharing the same space, still arguing, still dreaming, still holding on, still finding reasons to keep moving on. This is America. From the boots to the brim, we don't back down. We stand tall, wave that flag proud. Ain't no shame in red, white, and free. If you're looking for a fight, you found me. Got stars in my veins, stripes in my soul, bald eagle glare when I'm taking control. No handouts, we built this land with grit, stained fists, and calloused hands. That freedom ink, I bleed it bold on every dirt road and every stronghold. On the spark, I'm the flame, the damn parade. I'm Uncle Sam with the renegade blade. I'm made in the USA with a brave to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
Before we go, we'd like to leave you with this. No matter where the road or life takes you, spend it with the person you love most. Friends will have lives of their own, and one day your kids will grow up and start their own journey. But in the end, it's the two of you. Don't measure your life against anyone else's. Do things your way. That's what we do. No matter where we go or what we decide to do, we do it our way, and we do it together. Thanks for coming along with us. We'll see you on the next one. May God bless each and every one of you.
Well, there's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say